Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the latest tech so you know exactly what you're getting. Today, we're taking a close look at the VIOFO Type C HK6 accessory hardwire kit. Designed specifically for dash cams like the A329S series and the A119M Pro. If you've been thinking about upgrading your dash cam setup with a reliable hardwire solution, this might be exactly what you need. First off, let's talk about what this kit actually does. The HK6 hardwire kit allows your dash cam to draw power directly from your vehicle's battery. This means your camera can keep recording even when your car is parked, which is perfect for 24-hour parking surveillance. The kit features a battery discharge prevention system, so it won't drain your car battery. You can select from 4 voltage cutoff options, ensuring the dash cam stops drawing power once your battery reaches a certain threshold, keeping your car safe from being left stranded. One of the standout features is seamless parking mode switching. Thanks to ACC detection, your dash cam automatically transitions to parking mode the moment you turn off the engine, and then resumes normal recording once the vehicle starts again. This eliminates any need for manual intervention and ensures continuous protection for your car. The HK6 also comes with an automatic voltage display. It broadcasts the car battery voltage over Bluetooth without requiring pairing. Your dash cam detects this signal and overlays the real-time voltage directly onto your recorded video. This is especially useful if you want to monitor your battery's health while your vehicle is parked for long periods. Installation and maintenance are made easier thanks to its detachable modular design. The input and output cables can be separated, making cable routing during installation straightforward, and allowing for hassle-free future upgrades or replacements. Compatibility is another strong point. The HK6 supports both 12 volts and 24 volt systems, which means it can be used with cars, trucks, buses, SUVs, and even larger vehicles. The kit comes with everything you need in one package: the HK6 hardwire cable, 8 different fuse taps covering mini, micro 2, and auto fuses, and a user manual. In terms of size, the kit is compact, measuring just over 2 inches by 3.5 inches, and weighing under 10 ounces, so it doesn't take up much space under your dashboard. The Type-C connectivity ensures fast and stable power transfer to your dash cam, keeping it running efficiently while consuming very low power, which is great for long-term use. If you're running a VIOFO dash cam and want a reliable way to keep your camera on all the time without worrying about your car battery, the HK6 hardwire kit offers a complete, user-friendly solution. It's designed with safety, convenience, and versatility in mind, and comes with all the components you need to get started right away. That's it for today's review on this hardwire kit. Make sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.